After 5 years of selling on Amazon, I deleted my entire catalog. Crazy, right? But it was the only way to fix deep backend problems Amazon wouldn't solve, even after tens of support cases and strategy tweaks. Let me show you. This is my account and it is showing there is no product. I have already deleted my entire catalog, and now I will show you why I have done this. My data was inconsistent and the category mapping was totally messed up. Like on the product detail page, my category was baby products and safety, bathroom safety. Actually, it was my right and proposed category, but I came to notice for the last 3 to 4 days there was a dip in sales and I was not getting any sales and my campaigns were underperforming. Let me show you category listing report, and here it is. These are my product categories and you can see my proposed category was safety products, which is actually this one, item type keyword children's bathroom safety products. But here is the wrong thing, was it was baby bathtub. Actually these are baby products, not baby bathtub, so it was totally wrong. And the other, all the listing was totally wrong. Product identity, product type, item type keywords, all the things were wrong at the backend. Like the pillow, there is no relation with my product for this category. So that was the main reason I was facing issue with the sales and I deleted. You might be facing any other issues you have to delete knowingly, or sometimes people's deleted their listings unknowingly. I will provide you the solution. Let's proceed toward the next step. Why I have deleted the campaigns for totally underperforming for the last 3 days. It was performing well previously, but now in the last 3 days I have got 167 clicks and these clicks were all on the relevant, but there was no sales. So because there was a issue with the browse node, people were coming to my product with a different interest and they were not buying, they were not making any purchasable decision. So I decided, I made this hard decision to delete my entire catalog and refresh the backend. Let's dive in why we have to delete, or why you need to delete your catalog, or if you deleted your catalog, how you can fix. There are some common reasons when Amazon support will ask you please delete your listing for 24 hours, and if they didn't even ask, you must know if you are facing these kind of issues, you have to delete your listing for 24 hours. The first thing is attribute lock. Sometimes you want to update something but Amazon show these attributes are locked, or even just your contributions are not reflecting on product detail page, so we call it attribute lock and Amazon is not accepting any values. Like you want to change the fabric, size, country of region, or something very important, but it is not reflecting. Variation theme is locked. Sometimes there are many important things you want to update in the variation theme but they are not reflecting, or you are unable to change the stuff. And sometimes there are double sizing, like you want to show 4 rows, sometimes it is showing 4 rows and alongside it is showing 4 rows, 1 pack, 4 rows, pack of 1, so it is totally mess. And the third main reason is data is not reflecting, even you uploaded the flat files. Fourth main reason is listings are silently suppressed. You are not getting sale, you are not getting any impressions, you are not getting any traffic. It could be the issue, the listings are silently suppressed. You have to delete your listings for 24 hours. You want to update your brand name, or there could be any other things, variations are messed up, and there are a lot of the reasons you have to delete your listings. So these were the reasons you are deleting your listing knowingly, but if you have deleted your listing mistakenly, then the process will be same and the solution will be same. Let's proceed toward the solution. First of all, if you deleted your listing, now the first thing you need to communicate with Amazon support and ask them please refresh your catalog backend. So once they refresh the backend, the caches will be removed from the backend, and now whatever you update, it have more chances that it will gonna reflect. Ask them, make a call, and Amazon team will refresh your backend, refresh your catalog, entire catalog, or whatever the listing you want to update the data. You can just ask them, you can just provide them the same ASINs and they will do catalog refresh for those specific ASINs. So now your catalog is refreshed. You must have a feed file, you must have all the data in your hand so you can upload. So you need to make a category, you need to make a backend before deleting your listing. Once you delete it, you still have chances. If you delete it unknowingly, so you still have ways to collect the data and to recover your listing. But if you are doing it knowingly, please download a category listing report. I will show you the process. From here in the report section, go to the inventory reports and download category listing report. This is the report that will have all of your data at the backend. If you are facing any issues, you can just re-upload this and you will recover your listings. So you must have this to have your SKU, have your SN, and have your images, links, and a lot more things. So please be careful to collect the data before deleting it. So now you have to make a feed file. The feed file process is you need to download a blank spreadsheet from your account. This is a download blank template, and now you will choose according to your situation. If you already have product in Amazon catalog, you can go with this one, get product template. And if you want to download a totally empty sheet, you can download this one. And both are almost same, and both are almost empty. You have to put all the data. So we have already prepared the sheet, and we have added all the data in this sheet. Now we will upload this, and that's it. We have recovered our listing. So I will save it. Let's say I have saved this, all the data. Now I will go to my account and I will upload this. Click here, select your file, and just submit your products. It will take 15 minutes to process, and the products will start reflecting. Whenever you are watching this video, you can search our products on Amazon. Like if we are searching our product here, we will not able to find our products, but whenever you are watching this video, I believe our products will be recovered and all the data will be updated as we want. So there could be any of the issues if you are facing, you can sort them out by deleting your listing and re-uploading the same listing after 24 hours. If you are facing stuck with this issue, broken variation, suppressed listing, or you have already communicated with Amazon seller support for hours but you are not getting any solution, I help sellers reset and rebuild, clean and optimize catalogs. Message me if you need this fixed up professionally. I will sort it out all the issues of your catalog, and you will have a good progress in your sales.